All right, today we have a
liars.
We got a WW. What size lift is this?
6-inch lift.
6-inch rough country on some fuel, what model? Wheels?
Runners.
Fuel runners. Got them in chrome. Got some Venom, what model Venoms are these?
XTs.
Yeah, it's the pretty standard all-terrain from Venom.
35, 13, 50, 20.
So Venom's definitely a save your pennies type of tire. But we have, since I've been here, I don't think we've had any come back for like being out of round or anything like that. Like quality control and just like quality for the tire is pretty good for the price, that is. But yeah, this 2020, this is a 2021, right?
Yep.
2021 GMC 2500. It's got 8,600 miles on it. Basically brand new. Taking it around the block real quick because like I always say, I'm always very interested in how these things ride and drive. We got our first set of train tracks coming up. I can tell already it's a little bit like, it's definitely a little rough. It's not like, I mean, for a 6-inch lift, it's not bad. It's pretty comfortable. I've been in some worse riding vehicles. Steering's pretty solid, like there's no play at all, even with the bigger wheel and tire setup. It's comfortable. I'd say it's probably a hair stiffer than stock, wouldn't you think?
Mm-hmm.
Or don't you think? But it's not like I said, not uncomfortable. I think if you're really just trying to get lifted, get a truck that's definitely gonna turn a couple of heads without going crazy on the budget, I think this is a pretty good setup. I would drive it. I'd do it to my truck if I was wanting a new truck with more of a budget-friendly option for the lift, wheels, and tires, but still getting like that big truck look. 6 inches on this size wheel and tire, 35. What are they? 35, 12 and a half?
13.
35, 13. And 22s?
24s.
Dang, okay. So yeah, definitely has some road presence. Looks good. Drives pretty nice. I don't feel like I have a lack of control. So yeah, I like it.
Would this be your daily?
Yeah. If I wanted a new truck, like to have like the new amenities, like in the interior, which I wouldn't get a GMC or a Chevy for that with the 2021s. But you know, if I wanted a new truck and wanted to keep all of my warranties and stuff, and I was a little tight on the modifications budget, I would definitely run this setup. I'd probably do, like at this size lift and wheel and tire, personally, I'd probably do more like a black Rhino, go for like that off-road type of look, but it also depends on the color of the truck. The Chevy red with like the chrome accents and a chrome wheel looks great. If you were to have a red truck, chrome accents, and then do like some, you know, olive drab black Rhino wheels, or even like some matte black wheels, just going for like a really off-road overland type look, it really wouldn't work that well. So I'd rock the setup. I like it. I'd give the owner a thumbs up driving down the road or something. I don't know. But
So this truck's ready to do some What is that everybody's doing nowadays to make the big bucks on a fast time? What is it? You know when you go and take loads to different states? Hot shots. Yeah.
With this one?
Would you do that?
Not with this setup.
Not with this setup?
I'd probably do it like at the most, like if, because it's, you know, that's you're using the truck to put just crazy miles on.
Oh, is that a rubby dubby?
Yeah, she rubs a little bit. Nothing a little trimming can't fix though.
That's just plastic.
I'd probably do a dually, and then I would do at the most like a 3 or 4 inch lift. Because a lot of, I mean, you're running a gooseneck, and really like I would want as much traction in the rear as possible for the sake of just making sure that like I don't put anybody's vehicles or cargo at risk. I actually passed a truck the other day that was overturned like on an overpass. It was pretty, like I think, yeah, it was pretty bad. This thing stops pretty good too. Like, I mean, I know it's a new truck, but it doesn't feel sketchy under the brake pedal. She rubs though.
Just a little bit. Nothing crazy.
I think like if I were to actually like buy a new truck and wanted to modify it, I think I for sure would have to do some like reservoir shocks. Like I know the cost difference going up from a standard shock that comes with a kit like this, or if this is like a, you know, they have extensions. For me personally, like just having the reservoirs, like retaining a really smooth ride over some of these bumps that we're about to go over. Like it's not uncomfortable, it's not bad, but I just know what a reservoir shock could really make this truck feel like, and it's a lot better than what it is now. It's the same as like a lowered car having cuts. I mean, nobody's really cutting springs that often anymore, but doing a lowered spring versus just doing a coilover setup, a nice one, there's just a huge difference. And so you can lower a car, retain some nice ride quality, and this one you can lift it, and if you do the reservoir shocks, you retain that good quality. It's not so jarring like that last bump. But anyways, enjoy the montage.
When's your first day gonna be?
Recording each other?
Yeah.
Each other? Y'all are recording each other?
Why aren't you recording?
Why aren't you recording?
Y'all are recording
You're
each
the
other,
only one.
recording each
You're
other.
the only one in a weird situation.
Yeah,
right now.
you're not recording us.
Why are y'all recording each other, recording each other?
Why would we not be?
That's strange.
We're doing behind the scenes, Ese. What happens behind the
We're
scenes?
trying to make our casual conversation where we're not actually working productive.
We're on lunch right now.
There was something I was gonna say. Oh hey, so Christian's wheels are coming in tomorrow.
Nice.
Daddy's.
I like them.
It's a big reveal. Ooh. Did you get 15s?
Yeah.
Dang it. I knew you were gonna do that.
I know.
Yeah, it definitely needs a lift with 15s.
Yeah, it rose a little bit, not too much. But I think with that 4-inch, it'll be good because it like barely catches it right there, and right here like.
Oh yeah.
And then I'm gonna do a bumper spacer, so I won't have to cut the actual metal bumper. I'll probably just have to trim the plastic.
Oh, I gotcha.
Wide though.
Yeah, looks good. I think like if you would leave it right here on like 13s or 14s, I think I'd drive that personally. It looks good. It's just so beefy at like a leveled height, you know?
I know, I like it though, because it's like, it has like that bulldog stance to it.
Yeah. Does it rub?
A little bit.
Does it rub?
It's not really not that bad though. It's not as bad as I thought it was gonna be.
What'd you do, the 4-inch?
No, right now it's just leveled. That was partial.
The parts that came in are 4?
Yeah.
You're going up more?
Well, right now it just has a level.
Thought that's what you were doing.
It rubs too much.
You told me a little inside.
Well, I don't want it to rub. Look, it's rub a double. Oh, Yeah.
Pull it in, I'll cut it. Yeah.
You like them or not?
Yeah.
Bro, you need to. There's no way this thing's working with that much bend in her.
Yeah, once we do the lift, that will get fixed.
That's the Resi Delete mod.
It's gonna be a.
Well, it's gonna take you 30 minutes per wheel. I like it though. It's good.
New shirts.
What you mean?
I don't think I've shown these on video yet.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Are those 35 Furies in the back? Are those for the KG ones?
Uh-huh.
What?
For today,
No, you can bring them in.
só puta. Os métodos acá dentro. Ya está.
No tiembla
Miguel,
nada.
how much did he tip you to put those wheels and tires on? How much did he tip you to put those wheels and tires on?
12 pack of Budweiser.
12 pack.
Like laugh like that.
And I helped him do it.
What did he give
Actually,
you?
he helped me
You gotta
do
pay the
it.
lunch today.
Oh, he owes me lunch too today.
Dang.
Damn.
Damn, what we eating, guys?
I think I just decided he owes me lunch too.
Yeah, no, I'm thinking like Olive Garden or something like that. Oh, cool.
Trip. I just
Outback
buy-
Steakhouse,
Something nice.
Texas Roadhouse.
I just. Yeah, tripping.
What you mean?
I mean, clearly you're not hurting on money.
Actually, I am
mean,
now.
KG1, tires, new haircut.
Damn, I got that fresh haircut. You see, I cut a little bit off the back.
Cowboys
Dang,
custom.
you finally trimmed it up a little bit.
Yeah, it was too
This is
long,
it.
man. It's hot.
Yes, sir.
I still got the little going on.